In this video, I'll be going over my Etsy October income report. So in October 2023 for Etsy, I got 33 visits, 0 orders, 0 conversion rate because I got 0 orders and $0 in revenue. So I'm not sure if I actually had all of my listings active during October because I know I recently activated I think 2 listings, so I'm not sure if they all were completely active throughout the entire month, so that may be why. But I also don't run any ads, and I really am a beginner when it comes to Etsy right now. And I have currently 5 products listed. They're all digital papers, so whenever someone buys them, they automatically get a download. So it is pretty much passive at this point. If I do get any income, it is passive income since I'm not really doing anything other than trying to make sure that they stay active. But I did get a good amount of visits, at least for my page. I mean, I know this probably isn't a lot compared to a lot of people, but for my page, I feel like this is a good amount for not really advertising and still being pretty new to Etsy. And this is for October 1st through October 31st, 2023. I didn't get a visit every day. It looks like I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days without a visit, unfortunately. But I did have some days where there was more than one, so that was pretty cool. And then the second page, I normally show the days I get orders, but since I didn't have any orders, I figured I would just show this graph here. But I really don't put a lot of time to Etsy right now, so I'm not really surprised by this. If I make any money, it's just really nice to have extra money, but I'm not focusing on Etsy as a large source of my income right now. But I would like to have more time to work on Etsy and improve my shop and make more money there. I just don't have time at the moment. But I hope this was helpful in some way, and if you have any questions or comments or want to share your own Etsy results, please feel free to comment them below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope that you have a great day.